Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app and device are ready, permissions granted, sensors active, and the app updated. Tap to open the gesture app and allow camera and motion access when prompted so detection works. Position your device on a stable surface and create a clean visual background. This improves accuracy. Once done, choose the detection mode you need and run the quick calibration step. This trains the app to your movement range and reduces false positives while you begin using gesture. Now you calibrate and record gestures so the system recognizes your motions reliably. Follow guided calibration to capture 3 to 5 examples per gesture and name each one clearly so you remember what action it triggers. Assign the desired app action or shortcut to each recorded gesture. This ties motion to outcome. Make sure to test every gesture repeatedly in various lighting and angles. If recognition falters, re-record with slightly larger or slower motion to refine accuracy. Finish by enabling background detection only if you need always-on gestures, because that uses more battery. Use the sensitivity slider to balance responsiveness and false triggers. Lower sensitivity reduces mistakes, higher makes detection snappier. Practice your gestures in normal contexts to build muscle memory. If recognition fails, restart the app and rerun calibration. If false triggers persist, reduce sensitivity or re-record gestures with clearer, larger motions. That single troubleshooting step usually gets you back to reliable performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.